Tariq St. Patrick, he ain't grew up in a normal household. He grew up with Ghost Line, Tasha Line, and everybody around them playing chess except for the kids. Grew up in a house, where people lying to you. You don't learn love, you learn strategy. Tariq learned survival. First person think, oh, he grew up with money. You know what I'm saying? His daddy was the biggest boss, so and so and so and so. That don't mean nothing, man. Most of the criminals, most of the people on the streets, they come from good two-parent households. Father worked at Chrysler, mother was a homemaker or either had her job, you feel what I'm saying? They come from good families, they come from good strategy. Somewhere along the way, we can blame it on them, but a lot of the times, man, it's within the household. It's people keeping things, sweeping things under the rug, not taking responsibility, stuff like that. But peep how Tariq, you know what I'm saying, he moves like he never fits nowhere. That's from growing up in two worlds.
You just do whatever you want to do, no matter what.
Money, danger, success, all in one. That kids raised in confusion, we grow up fast. You feel what I'm saying? Before we even understand what feelings are. And that boy Tariq, he was grown by the time he was 12. He was groomed into what he became. Not physically, but mentally and psychologically. More in his mind than most 40-year-olds. He thinking like a grown-ass man playing chess, and he 13, 12 years old. Think about that. It's nobody. But look who he was raised by. A ghost. And a woman who trusted more in the game and put more into the game than she did her peace in her own family. Tariq, that grew up in betrayal, we learn quickly. Loyalty ain't real unless it's proven. That boy Tariq switched sides like a chess piece, because nobody ever proven to him that they deserve his heart. Patrick is a drama baby with a genius brain. That's dangerous. Kids who come from chaos, they become adults early. We start analyzing people, watching tones, reading moves, understanding lies. Way before our age say we can. We can drink, you feel what I'm saying? Manipulative? Nah, dog is just very aware of what's going on. Like, why did he go to the streets when he had everything? Dog gonna have one thing that he need, that everybody need. Emotional safety. They give you structure, rules, pressure, consistency, because they never go nowhere. A place where things come with consequences, not excuses, especially betrayal. Home is instability. The streets feel like clarity. It ain't right, but it's real. It's not evil. He's what happens when a kid grows up to understand survival, but not love. I believe Tariq is the realest character on TV. He's the most realistic. One thing you gotta understand about Tariq, he's somebody that wanted that life, but his family was in that life. You feel what I'm saying? This is what he's seen. This is what he knows, just like so many of us out here in this world. That grew up in a mansion, but also grew up in poverty in the heart of his family, if that make any sense. Not money poverty, love poverty, truth poverty, consistency poverty. His whole life was built out off lies. Lies in the family, lies from his father, lies from his mama.
And if you want some nice shit, you just want to get it yourself.
You should steal?
That's how you show people you wasn't no pussy. How you let them know you need to be respected. You want people to respect you, right?
Bible, but never taught him safety. Sound familiar? A young boy with a grown man burden and a young boy with a broken heart. The streets, Tasha chose the money, and they both chose the power over family dynamics. Child do when love is unstable, he stops believing in love and starts believing in leverage. Tariq moves like a chess piece with a heartbeat. He don't attach, he aligns. He don't trust, he observes. He don't commit, he negotiate. Loyalty ain't real in his world, only utility. He's forced to raise himself, becomes addicted to control. Hate authority. He hates a power that's not earned. Play both sides. He hates people who talk loyalty but move selfishly. He hates manipulation because he grew up drowning in it. When the world teaches you betrayal before it teaches you love, your heart becomes a vault, a cold one with a lock on it that no woman or friend can pick unless they come correct. Kids like Tariq, they mature early because they had to. And here's the game. High IQ trauma kids, they don't grow. They advance. They skip stages. They miss innocence. They miss guidance, but they gain clarity, most definitely. Sees people motives faster than the adults around him. He ain't paranoid, he's experienced. Experience ain't about age, it's about exposure. And Tariq been exposed to everything except real love. Here's the deepest truth of them all. The streets didn't raise Tariq. Emotional instability did. The streets just offer what his home never gave him. Structure, rules, predictability, consequences, and a place where lies cost you something. A place where loyalty counts. Home makes a boy chase order. In the streets, it pretends to offer it. So nah, Tariq ain't a villain. He's the result of reaction to dysfunction. A mirror of an environment that shaped him.
So you see, young brother, Tariq is what happens when a boy grows up surrounded by ambition, but starved of affection. And see, that's why he's the realest character on TV. Because he ain't a monster. He's a survivor. And every move he make, he's a survivor. It comes from a place where you can't judge unless you lived confusion, abandonment, and emotional silence yourself, boy.
He ain't a monster, he is a survivor, and every move he make is calculated. You feel what I'm saying? But it all stems from abandonment, emotional silence, and confusion from lies. Check this out, man. We out this bitch.